So let's talk about the future. For a long time, being a creator meant starting with a blank page, a blank canvas, an empty timeline. It was just you and your ideas. That process is powerful, but it can also be incredibly challenging. What if you had a co-pilot, a creative partner that never gets tired, never runs out of ideas, and is ready to help you build 24/7? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality we're stepping into right now. AI is fundamentally changing the creator toolkit, and it's one of the most exciting shifts in technology I've seen in my entire career. It's a massive upgrade for anyone who makes things. This new horizon is all about augmentation, not replacement. Think of it like this. A camera didn't replace the painter's eye. It gave artists a new tool to capture the world. Digital audio workstations didn't replace musicians. They gave them an entire orchestra inside a laptop. AI is the next evolution in that same story. It's here to handle the tedious parts of the creative process. It can brainstorm with you when you're stuck, generate assets you don't have the time to make, and open up possibilities that were once too expensive or technically complex for a single creator to even consider. It's about making your creative reach infinite. Imagine you're a filmmaker. You have a vision for a scene set in a futuristic city, but you don't have a Hollywood budget. In the past, that idea would have stayed on the pages of your script. Today, you can describe that city to an AI and get a stunning photorealistic backdrop in minutes. Or maybe you're a musician and you have a melody stuck in your head, but you don't play every instrument. AI can help you build out a full arrangement, adding drums, bass, and strings to bring your simple tune to life. This is a game changer. It democratizes high-level production. The best part? This technology is getting better at an exponential rate. What seems mind-blowing today will be the standard tomorrow. We are at the very beginning of this journey, and the tools are already incredibly powerful. For creators, this is like being handed a key to 1,000 new doors. It's a chance to push boundaries, to experiment without fear of failure, and to spend more of your time on the part that truly matters: your unique vision and your story. The blank page is no longer empty. It's filled with potential, just waiting for your spark. Alright, so let's get into the specifics. When we talk about AI for creators, we're really talking about a few key players, the titans shaping this new landscape. These are the foundational models powering the tools you see everywhere. The first one you've definitely heard of is GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, developed by OpenAI, a master of language. It can write, it can edit, it can brainstorm, it can even code. It's the engine behind ChatGPT, like having a brilliant writer and researcher on your team. It understands context, tone, and nuance, an indispensable tool for anyone working with words. Next up, visual generators, where things get wild. DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is open source. The community builds on it, fine-tunes models, runs it on their own hardware, opening a universe of customization. Then we move into the world of motion. Sora, another groundbreaking model from OpenAI. Sora creates video from text prompts, high definition, coherent scenes up to a minute long, complex camera movements, consistent characters. It's still in the early stages, but the promise is enormous. A virtual film crew, director, and VFX artist in one. Finally, audio and music models. Suno, Udio. They can generate complete songs, vocals, lyrics, full instrumentation. Ask for a soulful blues track about a rainy day in Chicago. For musicians, producers, podcasters, royalty-free background music, demo tracks, breaking through creative blocks, these AI titans aren't just tools. They're collaborators, ready to help you build whatever you can imagine. Let's do a deep dive on GPT, because for so many creators, the process starts with words. Writing a script for a video, a blog post, an artist statement, just brainstorming ideas. GPT is the ultimate assistant. Think of it as a super-powered search engine. It synthesizes information. It rephrases text. It helps you structure your ideas. Starting a new YouTube video. Generate 20 different title ideas. Optimized for engagement. Outline the entire video. Intro. Main points. A call to action. It's a massive time saver. One of its most powerful uses is overcoming writer's block. Staring at a blinking cursor, not knowing where to start. With GPT, you can just type in a rough idea. For example, a lonely astronaut who discovers a mysterious signal. GPT can instantly give you 3 different opening paragraphs, a list of potential plot twists, character backstories. It acts as a springboard, giving you raw material. that you can then refine and make your own. It's not about letting the AI write for you. It's about using it to kickstart your own creativity. Beyond brainstorming, GPT is an incredible editing tool. Paste in your own writing and ask it to check for grammar and spelling, but you can also ask for much more. Make this sound more confident. Simplify this paragraph for a 5th grade reading level. Rewrite this in the style of a vintage radio announcer. This ability to control tone and style is incredibly useful, whether it's a formal email to a sponsor or a casual caption for an Instagram post. It's like having a professional editor on call. And it's not just for writers. If you're a developer creating an app, GPT can help you write and debug code. If you're a designer, it can write compelling marketing copy for your portfolio. If you're a musician, it can help you write lyrics that fit a specific mood or theme. The applications are practically endless. GPT is a universal translator for ideas, capable of taking a concept from your mind and shaping it into structured, effective language. It's the foundational layer of the new creative stack, and learning how to use it well is a superpower for any creator today. Now for the visual side, which is where things start to feel like magic. Let's talk about DALL-E 3 and Midjourney. These are two of the leading AI image generators, visual artists, designers, content creators. The core idea is simple. You write a description, a prompt, and the AI generates a completely new image based on that text. The level of detail and quality you can achieve is staggering. Style, lighting, camera angle, mood. DALL-E 3 is integrated with ChatGPT and understands complex prompts. You can have a conversation to refine your idea. Cat astronaut, move it to Mars. Make the helmet glass reflective, add Earth in the background style like a vintage sci-fi movie poster. DALL-E 3 follows those instructions step by step. Perfect for custom thumbnails, spot illustrations, character concepts. Midjourney is known for incredible artistic flair. It can do photorealism, but shines at stylized, breathtaking images. Side by side, Crystal Frog photorealistic or stylized opinionated aesthetic. Artists love it. Prompts feel like casting a spell. Keywords and parameters. Design a fantasy book cover, create a stunning art piece for your wall, generate top-tier mood boards. Unique background for your stream. Done. Visualize a product idea before building. Easy. Assets for a social campaign, original and royalty-free. Generate hundreds in an afternoon. These tools create possibilities. Bring a visual idea to life instantly without years of drawing practice or expensive software. Democratizing visual creation. Everyone gets a world-class illustrator. While DALL-E is amazing and Midjourney are amazing, they are closed ecosystems. You use them through a service. That's where Stable Diffusion comes in and honestly changes the dynamic completely. Stable Diffusion is an open-source image generation model. This is a huge deal. Open source means the code and the model itself are publicly available. Anyone can download it, run it on their own computer, if it's powerful enough, and modify it however they want. This has created a massive, vibrant community of developers and artists who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The biggest advantage of Stable Diffusion is control. Because it's open source, an entire ecosystem of tools has been built around it. You can do things that are much harder or even impossible with other models. For example, you can train the model on your own face, your own art style, or your own products. After training, you can generate images of yourself in any scenario imaginable or create new artwork that perfectly matches your existing aesthetic. This level of personalization is a game changer for creators who want to maintain a consistent and unique brand identity across their content. This control extends to the creation process itself. With interfaces like Automatic 1111 or Comfy UI, you have granular control over every aspect of the image. You can use techniques like inpainting to change just one part of an image, like swapping a person's shirt. Or you can use outpainting to extend the canvas of an image, imagining what lies beyond the original frame. You can even use an existing image or a rough sketch as a guide for the AI, a process called IMG2-IMG. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for iteration and refinement. The open source nature also means innovation happens at a blistering pace. The community is constantly releasing new plugins. Like and subscribe to Tube Tactics for more content.